Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this video guys, we are going to be talking about a new blockchain airdrop which has promised to airdrop more than $2 million to its users. But on this airdrop guys, we are going to be going straight to the point. I will be considering your time. I will not be wasting any time. I will be making everything so simple and so clear so that you can be able to do the same thing I'm going to be doing right here on this video on your own device right there. So if you're watching the video right now, congratulations, because this is an awesome opportunity that I have brought to you today. And this airdrop I'm actually going to be talking about on this video is not known by many people, so you need to take this opportunity right now to actually position yourself to actually earn so much from this blockchain airdrop that will be earning us more than 6 figures. So right now, without wasting time, let's now dive in. But before we go in fully, please, if you enjoy this type of content, I make video around crypto, how to earn money, all the opportunities in crypto that I actually come across. I present it to you guys. Please, if you want to be getting some update like this one, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to like this video you are watching right now to keep me motivated to make more videos like this one. Also go to the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. And right now, without wasting time, let's now dive in. Let me teach you guys all you need to know and how you can be able to position yourself for this airdrop. Alright guys, so right here guys, you can see that I am on my CoinGecko website right now. You can see right here that we are talking about the FANTOM blockchain right here. So FANTOM has been around for a while, but the reason for the airdrop is because they are actually rebranding to a new name, alright, called Sonic Lab. So over here you can see FANTOM FTM token will soon migrate to Sonic S token. For more information, please refer to blah blah blah. So right now you can see that this project is actually going to be a very nice one because they are already listed, just that they are actually rebranding to a new name. All right, so right now, without wasting time, let me take you to the X handle. Over here guys, on the X handle, you can see right here guys that they are now called Sonic Lab, previously known as FANTOM. You can see Sonic is an Ethereum visual machine layer 1 blockchain that offer developers attractive incentives and powerful infrastructure. So you can see you can earn airdrop by doing some couple of stuff that I'm going to be showing you guys right here on this video. So if you need any link, you can actually go to the video description to get the link. So let me not bore you up with all these stories. Let me just take you straight to the point and teach you what you need to do right now in order for you to be able to earn the airdrop. All right guys, so the first thing you actually need to do is simply head over to this website called airdrop.soniclab.com. So when you get to the website, this is exactly how you're going to be looking like. Or you can decide to put yourself your own on desktop mode, just like mine is on desktop mode right now. So right now, this is how the interface actually looks like. And the first thing that you actually need to do is to simply go ahead to connect your wallet. So once you click on connect wallet like this, then you are going to be required to select the wallet that you actually like to use. But they actually recommend the Rabbit wallet, but I will be using MetaMask wallet built for familiarity purposes. So right now I need to click on MetaMask like this. So this is going to be opening up the MetaMask wallet extension right now on my phone. So I'm going to be required to actually input my code and of course have to click on connect. This is going to be connecting immediately. Then automatically I'm going to be required to add this network to my MetaMask. So I'm going to be adding it approved right now, and automatically the testnet network is going to be added automatically. And right now you can see that my wallet is now connected right here. So the next thing they actually need to do is to simply go ahead to input an invitation code right now. So this invitation code is mandatory, and for you to get your own invitation code that you need to use, you can decide to use mine. Simply head over to the video description of this video to get the invitation code that you are going to be putting right here to actually get started. Also remember, the website link is also going to be on the video description of this video. And once you are done inputting the code, this is going to be requesting you to connect to sign this signature. So you click on confirm. So right now we are signing in real quick. You can see right now I have now confirmed, and right now my dashboard is now showing up. It is so simple as this. There's nothing much more than this, as you can see me doing it right now. It is so simple. So right now my dashboard is now showing up. You can see this is where my arcade point is obviously showing. You can see we have total points, we have points that I'm going to be making today, we have base points, and of course referral points. So right now, after this, the next thing they actually need to do is to simply head over to arcade right here. So you click on arcade. So once you click on arcade, this is going to be taking you to the site where you are going to be required to place or do some certain things in order for you to actually earn the airdrop. Actually, you are required to do some stuff right here. For example, play some game, and you are going to be given a certain amount of points, which you are going to be converting later to the main airdrop token. So right now you can see this is how it is. So what I need you to do from here is to simply go ahead to click on connect wallet like this over here. Once you click on connect wallet, this is going to be prompting your prompting you to select MetaMask wallet, it is very, very important that you use the wallet that you actually connected earlier on the dashboard. So I'm going to be selecting MetaMask like this. So once I select MetaMask like this, so this is going to be prompting me to actually approve this transaction on my MetaMask. So right now I will click on connect, and right now the connection will be established. So right now I will just have to wait. I think I'm having a little network issue right here. I just have to wait for this to show up so that I will proceed from here. And right now we are done. So I need to actually bring it to your notice that if you are using our Kiwi browser for this, once you click on sign in after inputting the referral code that is going to be on the video description, you need to click right now on these three dots. Then you go to the drop down on your Kiwi browser to actually approve the sign in. So, but on Kiwi browser, on Mrs. browser, it's pops up the MetaMask automatically. So I think Mrs. browser is actually better for this. So you can see right now you are now given 3 steps, which is the first step, which involve adding the Sonic testnet to your wallet, which is what I have done earlier while I was connecting my wallet on the main dashboard. So then the step 2 is to simply get some token from our faucet. Each place costs 1 token, and you can request 210 per week. So right now let's now go and get some token. So if we click right here, you can see this is your wallet. When you click on wallet, you are going to be required to select smart wallet. You have smart wallet here right now and connected wallet. So you simply go ahead to click on copy. You have now copied this wallet right now. So what I need you to do is to simply go ahead and click right here that we have get some token. So once you click on get some token, you are going to be required to verify your Twitter account right here. For example, this is just a kind of a way that they use to actually block some unreal users. You understand what I'm trying to say, like a CBL detection. So right now I have to click on sign in with with X, which is of course my Twitter. So this is going to be opening up and taking me to Twitter where I need to verify. So right now I need to actually authorize this right now, authorize app, and right now this should be taking me back to my Sonic Arcade interface. Right now you can see how automated it is. So right now we have been able to actually connect our Twitter account. So right now you can see you are now required to actually follow OX Sonic Lab. That is the main Twitter account. So right now I have to do this second one right now. I will click on it and this will take me straight to the Twitter account where I'm going to be required to actually follow, give them a follow like this. As simple as this. This is the main Twitter account. So right now once I'm done with this, then I have to actually go back to my main interface. And after that, the next thing is simply for me to go ahead and verify this captcha like this. Immediately the verification is done, then you are going to be clicking get 210 token. But the reason why mine is not showing up is because I just logged into my main account right now after passing the whole step, just to show you guys how you can be able to do it. So right now you can see I cannot click this right now because I have already clicked it, and you can only click it once in every week. All right, so right now I need to go back right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you look over here right now, you can see that I already got some balances right here. I have 180 as my balance right here. This is because I've actually claimed some and I have already used it to play some of the game. So right now I'll be showing you how you can be able to play this playing code right here. So right now we have 3 games, which is the playing code, the mine, and of course the wheel. All right, so right now what you need to do right now is to simply go ahead and click on any of these games that you like. So for example, I have to click on playing code right now. All right, so once you click on playing code, this is exactly how it looks like. All right guys, so for you to be able to play this game, it is so simple. So over here guys, you can see this is where your balance is. I have been able to play this for a couple of times right now, so I'll figure out how everything works. So you can actually be able to increase or decrease your chances of winning or losing, but remember, the higher your chances of losing, the higher your reward. So right now I'm going to be leaving this right now. You can actually choose the amount of ball that you actually want to fall on each game. For example, I'm choosing 3. You can actually increase it up to 9 or 10. Okay, so right now, for the sake of right now, I'm going to be leaving it at 7. So right now I have to click on play. Once you click on play, you can see that the transaction is being initiated right here. So you need to allow this transaction to be confirmed before your game is going to be played. So right now, let's now wait for this transaction to be confirmed before you can actually be able to play this game successfully. You can see it is still waiting. Let's just give it a little time. And once the transaction is confirmed like this, you can see that that is how this game is actually being played. You can see right now, I have got my points right now. So right now, let me now take you back to the dashboard. Let me show you guys some stuff that you actually need to put in mind. For example, if you want to be referring some guys right here on these games. All right, so when you come back right here to the main dashboard, you can see this is what I've been able to get while I just played this game on this tutorial video. So if I here on the referral, if you want to be referring some guys right here, you just simply come over here to the referral section of this. So over here, guys, this is my referral code right here. So while registering for this is actually the code that you're going to be needing for you to be able to register on this. So once anybody registers using your own invitation code, you are going to be getting 10% of the points that they earn. All right, so this is how simple it is, and this is simply how you actually participate on Sonic Airdrop. Remember, this Sonic Airdrop is one of the best airdrop that you are ever going to be participating on, because they are promising us 6-figure on this airdrop. But also put in mind that your effort actually determines if you are going to be getting 6-figure or not. Please, if you enjoy this type of content, let me know what you think on the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's now earn together and of course help ourselves succeed in this crypto space. I will talk to you guys soon. Just stay sharp. More updates are dropping right on this channel.